What's up, guys? You're watching another episode of Third Coast Fishing, and today we out here in Galveston, Texas, fishing off these groins, these little jetties out here. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We out here fishing with my sister and my brother-in-law, trying to catch some speckled trout. It looks like they catching something out here, so all right, so we're gonna head out here, get all rigged up, see what's going on, and try to catch some fish. You know what's up? All right, so we out here. We just get out here. Look like they got a bull red already on the little jetty, so I guess we're in the right spot. What's up? Check it out. Who caught that? You did? Hey, yeah. What'd you catch him on? Some live shrimp?
It really is big.
Right. That's what's up. Cool. Here's the man that caught it right there. Sweet, bro. All right, we'll be down here joining you. So they out here catching bull reds on live shrimp. So we got live shrimp. Let's see what's up. Trying to run them over here, guys. Here, come back over here on this one. Extend it out. Pull the pole out. There you go. Now just lay it on that rock and I'll pull them in. Yeah, that's what's up. There you go, guys. Check that out. Speckled trout. Let's go get the pliers. Be about 13 inches. Be a small one. No. What's up, guys? Check it out. Little speck. You got a ladyfish? Hell yeah. little small.
Using mullet?
He's about 1 inch small. Yeah, live mullet. We got that on live mullet. We just cast netted right here and got some live mullet, so I'm gonna catch a couple more. Yeah, live mullet. I'm finna catch a few more. Alright guys, we got that one speck. My homeboy caught a couple of ladyfish. We caught a couple of ladyfish. Lost a bunch of ladyfish. But you know, that's how it goes sometimes. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Peace.